Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. My name is Arman for the new people who are on this channel, and today I'm going back to Cala to make another review to Inturotel Esmeralda Park. Just somebody let me a comment to the last video, and before to that I will go to eat the best brunch from Cala. You found it just in Shalok. I will go with the bus, really important. If you come to Mallorca and you want to travel around of the island and you will travel with the bus, what I do recommend is better to rent a car. Like this you move easy on the island because the bus is there really slow. But in case you will travel with the bus, remember, pay with a credit card, check in, check out with a card. Like this you have between 50 and 70% off. That is better, but yeah, better option, the card, you are moving fast. Let's go, we're waiting the bus to go to Cala to have the brunch, and after we go to start our review for the hotel. And if you are new on this channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell like this, you know when I'm posting a new video. Let's go. Hola, buenas. Okay guys, just we went down from the bus. Now we go to have our brunch. The Shalok is close to the bus station. Like 2 minutes walking. We went there before. Almost we are there. Let's see if it's busy. Okay, we arrive. I'll go to order. Oh, it's quite busy. Okay guys, here is the place. Shalok is close to Cala Ferrera and Cala Esmeralda. They have an amazing brunch. They have a lot of interesting things. Usually I get eggs Benedict, the royal one. They are amazing. Like this is looking the brunch. Let's finish eating and after we are going to film the review. Okay guys, we finished the brunch. Now we are going back to Esmeralda Park, Inturotel Esmeralda Park. It's the other way around. Let's go around. Let's see how it's looking now. It's almost the end of the summer, and how people ask me to make another one, I will make another one. Okay, let's go around. Let's see how it is. Okay guys, we are here on the beginning. There is Cala Azul. I think they have 3 hotels. There is one, I don't know exactly the name. Here is Cala Azul, Esmeralda Park, and is one more only adult in the other side. Here is the reception. Today the weather is a bit windy. I will try to put also the drone up to get some shots. I don't know how windy it is. Here is the reception. Here is the main entry. There is the... But still I don't found out if they have animation. I don't know if they have animation in the day or in the night. I passed a couple of nights from here and the stage is closed. I think they don't have every night. I think they have mini club. Somebody told me they have mini club. Let's see the main pool. It's quite busy. There is the stage. Okay, let's see here. They have Drago Land in front, Drago Club. Okay, I think there is the restaurant, and here is the main pool with the bar, with everything. This is looking the pool. Let's go on the other side. Here you have also some beds. There is the bar. I don't know if it's also a restaurant. That is the only adult pool. Is +16, no smoking, no animals. I think that's supposed to be to every hotel, no smoking and no animals around. But it's cute how they put them there. Most of the hotels, they don't advertise these things. There is the lifeguard, like playing around. Let's go around. Let's see how it's looking, Cala Esmeralda, if it's busy or not. They grow so much, the plants here, the trees. Like this is looking Cala Esmeralda. We are on 16 September. People still they are swimming. The water still is quite warm with the heat what it is. Today is 29 degrees and it's 12:54, and the beach still is packed, still is super busy. Okay, let's go also in the other side. I will try to make some videos also from Drago Land. A lot of people they ask me about, but I don't know how to get there. There are a lot of babies around for the moment. The kids they finish the holidays. I like because you have also some beds here on the beach from the hotel. Here is just for the hotel. If you are coming, you have here some beds. Wake up in the morning to get one. There are not too many. And here is the beach where there are not some beds. Okay guys, let's get the drone out and let's try to get some views from up to see how it is. Okay guys, we have the drone up. The view is amazing. How is a beautiful day. The wind is not so strong today. This is the main pool. There are not too many people around, or actually they are, but they are under the umbrellas. Still I see a couple of sunbeds empty. And guess what? Finally I found also the Drago Land. Today I see also they have a mascot and they are going around with it. It's like a little dragon, a red dragon, and it's going around for the kids. It's looking amazing. I will try to show you the best view from the drone. I will try to have different shots, but it's looking like this. It's the end of the season. If you want to come on holiday, believe me guys, the place is amazing. Don't let the bad comments to change your mind. Everybody say they changed the pool, but it's 2025 guys. Every hotel need to make changes to come on the standards of 2025. The pool is looking amazing. This is the view. Over there you have Cala Esmeralda. If you don't like the pool, you can go to the beach to enjoy. Let's go also a little bit on the other side, on the adult pool, because also that pool is completely changed and is looking amazing. Still there are places, it's not so busy. If you are still coming in holiday, try to wake up a little bit early in the morning, because sometimes the people they go and they put the towel on the sunbeds like this. They have it in the day, but I don't recommend you to go too early in the morning like this. I don't know what is the rule of the hotel. Ask at the reception, like this you have more information about this. This is the adult pool, quite nice, is with an amazing view too. What can I show you more? If you want to see something special, guys, don't forget to write a comment. Like this I will try to make a video for you and a review. If you want a review about a restaurant or something in Cala or something in Mallorca, if it's a little bit too far away, I will need time to do that. But if it's in Cala or around Cala here, something close, I can do it anytime. Okay. And finally I discovered this place, guys, because a lot of people, they ask me about this Drago Land splash park. It's not so big, but they have quite a lot of slides. I don't know nothing about this. I couldn't know exist this. A lot of people, they ask how is looking, where it is. I don't have a clue, but I think you can go on the right side, ask more information about this at the reception. I don't know, I hear something is you need to pay an entry. I don't know for how long. I don't know nothing about this place, but I discovered it is looking like this. You have couple of shots from here. It's looking quite cute and nice. It's not so big, but I think for a hotel is enough. If you want to have a try, go at the reception, ask. If you need to pay a ticket, pay a ticket. You have also some beds, how I see. It's quite nice. It's something different. Not too many hotels they have this kind of stuff. For a hotel the size is quite big. I know another hotels they have small water slides, nothing like this. They have a mascot for this place. What do you want more than this? The place is amazing, guys. If you come in holiday in Cala, I recommend you. This hotel is amazing. Okay, guys, this was the video for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you like to support me, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, activate the bell like this, you know when I'm posting a new video. And if you are coming to Mallorca, let me know what do you like to see in the next video. Maybe a review for a hotel, maybe a review for a restaurant. Leave a comment, and of course don't forget to share with your friends. Like this they see how is Mallorca, and maybe next time they are coming in a holiday here. Enjoy the holidays and see you in the next video. Bye bye.